It's giving Red Sea. Like Moses just went and said,
yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost. And we doing it again today as far as the hair is concerned. I've literally had this wig since last April. I made it for my birthday, cut it, gave it a little bit more layers than what it was when I first made the wig, and it's still going strong. Now, of course, the reason for this video is because I have had this wig since April. I have experienced some balding in the closure, which is normal. It's normal. The hair and the knots are not meant to stay there forever. So this video is more so for the girl who is maybe short on some change and you don't necessarily have the funds to replace your lace or to get a whole new wig made, which when I replace the lace, I'll definitely make sure I make a video for you guys showing you all how I do that. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys again how I camouflage balding lace using my NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. The video is super quick, straight to the point. This intro might be longer than the actual video itself, but yeah, I will see you all in the next clip. All right, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video and from the intro, y'all already know what we came to do today. This video, at least from my channel, I humbly say is doing numbers. Y'all really love when I review like drugstore products, and like I don't want to get stuck in that box, but you know, I like to dibble dabble and try out a lot of stuff, so I'll make sure that I continue to film like my drugstore products and stuff. So y'all know, if you've been watching my channel, that I am obsessed with the NYX Lift and Tint Brow Pen. It is that girl. If you guys have not seen that video, I am going to go ahead and just link it down below in the description box. I tried the even spray. I'm going to link that video down below in the description box as well as above in the cards for you guys to check that out. And y'all know, like, this wig is old. This is my wig from my birthday last year, so I've had this wig for over almost, yeah, it's been well over like a year and a half since I made this wig, and it is time for me to replace the lace. However, because I have not been wearing my hair out, I haven't really been concerned about spending money to replace the lace or dipping in my own inventory for my customers to replace the lace. So I will get around to that, and obviously I will make a video on it showing you guys how you replace a closure on a closure wig. So be on the lookout for it. Y'all, it's giving Red Sea. Like Moses just went and said, okay? This is what happens when you are constantly wearing your closure. And to be honest, for it to only be this bald, and I've had this wig since April of 2020, I would say that this is a damn good closure. I pride myself in my company and only sourcing and providing great hair for my customers. That's something that's super important to me. A lot of people who own hair companies or have sponsors from hair companies, they tend to switch their wigs out a lot, showing you like obviously the different textures and things like that that companies have to offer, and that's great. But I say all that to say this: while you see someone in a video and yeah, they're dyeing, they're curling, all of this stuff to the hair, that person is maybe only wearing that hair maybe 1 or 2 months tops. So as far as like how the lace will eventually end up shedding, whether or not the hair is going to mat up on you, all of that's like the important stuff, because you are investing hundreds, sometimes with some of these damn hair companies, thousands of dollars into purchasing hair, and then the hair goes to shit in like 2 to 3 months. So we don't play that over here at Bon Vivant Tresses. So if you guys are interested in getting some extensions or even just like getting a custom wig made, definitely click the link down below in the description box, and I would love to have you as a customer. I also offer custom wig construction. Shout out to Susie. Y'all see I got my metric system going over here. But yeah, definitely check us out. You don't really get to see the wear and tear of the lace, and for me, if I'm gonna sell something, I'm not gonna sell something that I don't stand behind, and that is why I keep pretty much all of my wigs until it's time to just really let it go. And like I said, I've had this wig for 1.5 years. It's time for me to replace the lace. I'm not even getting rid of the hair because the hair is still good. I can still run my fingers through it. You can see these curls that I did last Friday are finally starting to drop. Like, it's still some indentions from when I did curl my hair. This is it going through rain. So all I'm saying is, shop Bon Vivant tresses, period. This video is about showing you how to repair the lace, and like I said in the beginning, I'm absolutely obsessed with my NYX Lift and Tint brow pen. So I just had the bright idea because I was about to do my makeup after I installed this wig again for the first time on Friday, and I'm like, damn, like this wig look bad. But then I thought, you know, this brow pen is meant to mimic brow hair. Surely it would look good enough on lace for me to be able to mimic it. So I'm gonna try to scoot in with my Ken's burner when I'm editing this, so you guys can see. There is some balding right here, so it doesn't necessarily come directly towards the front of the lace. So I'm just gonna be closing this up and making this look a lot more natural in appearance. So let's get started. Before I jump into this, this is my Lift and Snatch brow tint pen in the shade Espresso. Is what I use on my brows, and his hair is like a 1B color. I didn't, you know, dye it again, so yeah. And you just want to use like really light strokes, because again, we want it to mimic natural hairs. And we're not drawing on the lace, we're not. And this is also a great tip and tool if you ever like over bleach your knots. You can go in and fill that up with that as well. And then I just take a spoolie the same way I will blend out my brows and just brush the product into the hairs that are there, so that way it flows a little more naturally. And even here where the knots are bleaching, like this might have been the quickest video I've ever filmed for y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, this doesn't even take that long. And the stay power of this brow tint pen, because I'm not washing my wig every day, I don't even have to really do this over. Now that I have closed this up, and like I said, like it's giving very much like hair-like strokes, so you can't even really tell that that lace was on life support. So now I'm just going to lay the baby hairs. Go ahead and tie this down using my elastic band again, and I am going to curl my hair off camera. Yep, I'm gonna curl my hair off camera, and then I will be back to show you guys the final product. So as y'all can see, this video is very straight to the point. I have already, you know, showed y'all how I make my parts smaller with the tint pen. I'm gonna replace this lace, but I just want to give an alternative because I know there are some of you guys out there who are on a super strict budget, especially with everything that's going on with COVID. So just wanted to give you guys alternatives and really quick fixes to work with what you have as far as being able to repair your lace goes. So I hope that this video was informative. It was super quick, super straight to the point. As always, the products that I use will be listed down below in the description box, including the hair from my hair company. Make sure you guys shop Bon Vivant Tresses. We have amazing hair. I will make sure, again, that I leave all those links down below for you in the description box. Any questions, suggestions, anything of that sort that you guys have, definitely leave it down below in the comment section. I love talking to you guys, but until next time, I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. And baby, turn around, let me give you innovation.